Hi everybody, welcome back. On this video lecture here, I'm going to show you how to download your course exercise files. Let's go to the lecture 3. Now keep in mind that this might not be lecture 3 when you're looking at it, but just make sure that you find the course exercise files lecture. Click on it, and I'm just going to pause this video real quick. And then if you look to the right side, you have a couple tabs up here. You got this tab where you can see all your lectures, and then you got the next tab right here where you have your downloadable resources, and this is the tab where you're going to download your exercise files. And when you click on it, you will automatically get download your zip files. And what you can do is just drop it to your, I already did it in the past video that I kind of made a boo-boo, but I'm going to drop it in the desktop. And if you double click it there and double click it again, you should be able to see your exercise file. Now, when I say double click it, this is for the Mac. For Windows, you might have to right click it and extract everything to your desktop. All right, so make sure that you use your operating system to do that, to extract those files, because they're going to be in a zip folder. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you're able to download your exercise files, and you should be able to. There is no way, there's no reason why you shouldn't be. So if you have any issues, let me know, and I'll see you in the next lecture.